Hello and welcome to our channel. Who does not love these tiny pockets filled with chicken and some veggies? Super crispy with delicious filling, these little treats are extremely good, especially at Iftar. You can also freeze this for 2 weeks, so here is how to make it. Take a muslin cloth and place it on a bowl. Now add 2 cups of finely sliced cabbage, 1 cup finely sliced carrot, 1 cup sliced capsicum, goes in half teaspoon salt. Toss it with your hands. Leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. And now remove excess water from the vegetables by squeezing it and keep aside. Now let's see the process of chicken filling. Take a large pan, add 2 tablespoons oil. To this I'm adding 1 teaspoon finely chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon finely chopped ginger. Fry this for few seconds. Adding 2 finely chopped green chillies, goes in 1 cup finely chopped beans, and now I'm going to add 250 grams of boneless chicken pieces. Give this a very nice mix. Cook this till it changes the color. Goes in 1 teaspoon salt, adjust as per your taste. Half teaspoon black pepper powder. And now I'm going to cook this for 2 minutes in a medium-high heat. Now the chicken is almost cooked. Mash it with your spatula and shred it. To this I'm adding all the veggies. Give this a good mix. Fry these on medium-high heat. Adding finely chopped spring onions. Fry this for 1 minute in a high flame. And now I am adding 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon soya sauce, 2 tablespoons red chilli sauce, 1 tablespoon tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon Schezwan sauce or Schezwan chutney. Give this a very good mix and fry this on a high flame for 2 minutes and then switch off the flame. Keep aside at room temperature. Now take 1 samosa sheet, cut from the center, divide into 2 equal parts. Now I'm going to cut it in lengthwise. Apply flour paste in the center. Place another strip on top. Place the chicken stuffing. Fold the lower end. Apply flour paste. And now fold all the ends as directed. There could be open ends in the corners. Dip in flour paste to seal them properly. Now deep fry in hot oil on medium-high flame until crisp and golden brown. drain excess oil, and serve hot with any sauce of your choice. I hope you will try this chicken pockets and enjoy as much as we did. Snap a pic and share with us at our Instagram page chineese.kitchen. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon so that you will get notification every time we post a new recipe. See you in our next video with more such amazing recipes. Take care and have a nice day.